YouTube automation works.
YouTube automation.
YouTube automation. YouTube automation. YouTube automation. YouTube automation.
This is something I found out over the last couple of months where I had multiple successful YouTube channels. But what if I had to start from absolute scratch and create a brand new channel?
Let's go.
So I began using some different Chrome extensions and other websites to find some unsaturated niches. And this is like a whole procedure I go through. And if you want my method how to find unsaturated good niches, then click the link in the bio to my free Discord. So I basically just did that until I stumbled upon a niche that was looking pretty good and yeah, had some good potential. So now what I would normally do is make a brand new Gmail and have a brand new YouTube account. But to go from 0 followers even to monetization might take some time, and I don't want this challenge to be 3 months long. So I'm just gonna go ahead with the option of buying a channel right now. And you can do this from a lot of different sites, but I'm buying it from my private supplier where I get them for pretty cheap. So after I bought the channel, I just checked it, and as I expected, it had 1000 subscribers and 4K watch hours. But the thing is, with these bot channels, most of them are botted, so this wouldn't even make a difference for the challenge since these are not active people on the channel. It's just, yeah, bots. But we are actually monetized, so we can start earning money right away. I actually chose a niche which was pretty easy to do, which would cost me around 20 to 30 minutes per video. And what I did, I was basically just going onto the internet, downloading some files from there, then adding some background music to it and some captions, and this worked really well for the niche I chose. By the way, I'm not gonna reveal the niche in this video, but I'm probably gonna reveal it really soon in my Discord. But anyways, then I just uploaded the finished video I exported from CapCut. Yes, I use CapCut, and then uploaded it to YouTube. Most people would probably say that the video is the most important part of your video, but I would actually kind of disagree, since you have to have really good SEO and a good thumbnail to get views nowadays. And think about this, you have the best video in the world, but like nobody at all is clicking on your video, then you will get absolutely 0 views. So I again went into Photosphere and designed a quick thumbnail, which I actually could use for a lot of more thumbnails in the future, since it's kind of like a thing where I just have to exchange some text and then I can use it again. And for the SEO, I basically just used some Chrome extensions where I could see competitors' tags. So I copied that and then also kind of copied some titles and descriptions and whatsoever. And then the first video was online. After I looked into it the next day, it wasn't looking that good. We just got a couple of views, but I basically just uploaded the next one. And let me tell you this, somehow I got extremely lucky, because already the second video kind of blew up and got 10K views pretty quickly. And I'm telling you, normally I don't get this either. So if you don't blow up directly, don't quit, just keep on going. Now, another great thing about the niche I picked was that it's a niche with a pretty high RPM, which is basically means that I will make more for a certain amount of views than maybe some other people with other niches. When I say pretty high RPM, I mean that on some videos further down the line, I got like $30 for every 1,000 views, which is just absolutely crazy. And with that second video of mine, I already made $120. So $120 in 2 days is pretty good from my perspective. So of course I kept uploading, and I was uploading 1 video a day. And I honestly think for the most channels, this is the most optimal thing to do if you want to gain views and subscribers fast, because you're not spamming people with like 3 videos a day, but you're giving them constant content and giving the algorithm some freedom to spread it out to a bunch of people. So what I, for example, often do is when I see a video that was uploaded yesterday do really good at the time, I kind of wait with posting the next video, because I have experienced that if I post the next video, YouTube will stop promoting that initial video and start promoting that video I just posted, and that kind of stops the growth of that other video. So you gotta play around with that a bit. And yeah, I basically just rinsed and repeated what I just told you for the next 2 months and started making some serious numbers. So this is what you all been waiting for. Let's have a look at the numbers now. Alright, so as you guys can see, we're in here. So it has not been more than 90 days and we have almost made 1 million views, then 300,000 hours of watch time, 7,000 subscribers. I wasn't lying, we made 10K dollars. Yeah, that's probably dollars. It's euros now, so it's more. As I said, I uploaded once a day. When the old videos still get views and then the new videos get new views, it's basically just simple logic that the views will increase day by day. We even went up to 20K views a day, a bit down again. I stopped uploading around here. I stopped uploading because I had a lot of stuff to do. Obviously, that's a bullshit excuse, but that we got 7,000 hours of watch time, which is absolutely crazy in one day. Even if we would have not bought a channel, we would have probably been monetized in like 8 days. Now we go to subscribers. This looks pretty normal. Now revenue tab. If we look here, we made a lot of money right off the bat and slowly went our way up to $100 a day, $200 a day, and we even went up to $450 in one day at some point, which is absolutely crazy. And you gotta keep in mind, this is all profits, and even though I titled this YouTube automation, I kind of did everything myself. The goal is to automate it, but in the beginning I would always do a lot of stuff myself if I was a beginner again. But to be honest, I've been in the game for like 3 years, so you shouldn't be expecting these crazy numbers in the start, but you just have to keep going and don't quit, and you will even make bigger numbers than me probably. So with that said, check out my Discord in the link below, and I'll see you in the next video.